I don't know whether these governments, them, whether then they give themselves, whether then they check record to check whether then they give themselves pass mark, abi whether then they do well, abi then they do badly. It dey pain me say for when then they do campaign, they know they put them for campaign. Say, if I know anyway, what am I saying? Some people talk and now say if they no deliver, make them stone them.
Hello.
One man talk abi
Yes.
whether na Tony and Nenny or something like that. He talk that time. He talk say if they no deliver, make them stone them. Therefore, put them for constitution. No, say whoever do promise and
no
then
fulfill am.
no fulfill them, make people punish them or make them pursue them come out. Because sometimes, but they're not going to even agree.
Nigerians don't even remember all those talk because they know say last not if you do not if you do them.
No, but you not suppose. You not suppose.
Not be today, boss. The thing don't take now. So what you want to?
Because if you check most of the things them where them talk, most of the things them where them talk, they not even feel they not do half of them.
I know.
They not do half of them.
I know it is half. I just say one call maybe some percentage where they below half.
Yeah, because na Tony Momo talk that thing.
Okay, now I ain't talking.
Yes, now he talk say stone us if we do not perform after 2 years.
After 2 years.
After 2 years.
You don't pass now.
No, for the first 4 years, then they blame the previous government.
Yeah, okay. The whole of that 4 years was
the first government. The first 4 years, then they blame the previous government.
why they no fit perform.
Yes. Now what happened for the first 4 years?
Someone forget that one, I think.
Maybe we just leave and just forget them. Like say, just
They
happen.
blaming 4 years.
Yes. But then this time around now, because I don't know where would they go. And then everybody they complain diesel. For where they stay. Our lights now 24 hours.
Hey, you're on better now.
Wait now I won't tell you so.
Okay.
Now I be them way where we won't begin to see. We won't begin the same way. Because they don't come tell us now, say that's this who don't cost. Because now them they operate them. Not saying na NEPA they give them 24 hours lights. Now them they operate, yes. So then they run gen.
Okay.
So now we need to pay more.
To sustain.
Yes, to sustain. Or then go the share light.
Yeah.
So me where they say in the last 12 years. In the last 12 years, now nearly 24 hours lights. Now are they on?
For the last 12 years.
Yes.
Let me say they owe me. They owe me.
For the last 12 years. So as they just talk say, or we just begin to ration the light. Everybody for group, WhatsApp group, begin say, no. How much is it? No. Because where you won't start from?
I wanted the rationer.
How?
That's what I was steady light for the last 12 years. Rationing will be like say don't go villager. I can imagine how you feel. Sir.
Because they're not even green generator. You know most of these estates where then they build. They're not the green you bring in gen.
Yes,
Then go say no gen. No gen. Now them they operate by themselves. So be fashola talk am now. Say this whole light matter where we they talk, Say what thing you go take? This light no they take anything now. He talk am now. He say not be just say it's just like saying I better pass my neighbor. He say it's just like saying I better pass my neighbor. Make I play and make you hear now. Now what in fashola talk that year? He say it just be like I better pass my neighbor, make it plenty. Say na him be light. So why the former government why they no fit provide light?
I remember.
You know now wetin him talk that year be that. Say why they no fit provide light?
As of today, self from Tori, say they don't restore the national enha.
No, see wetin
the lights.
But I will try to be simple. Power generation is not rocket science.
It is not.
It's just generator. So just remember and imagine that your I better pass my neighbor in 1 million times its capacity, but in one place. So if you can make that size of 1 kilowatt, you can make a power turbine of 1,000 megawatts.
Thank you.
He said it's simple.
Yes, it's simple. But then I don't know why him.
Yeah.
Where be power minister? Where they never do him?
Maybe you forget the talk. You don't say until you enter.
Now you go come
You're
know.
not going to know how far.
Actually, somebody don't tell me that. Thing. Say no be waiting with the sea. Not until you enter, you go know how far.
Let's see.
I dey ask one of my guys, say why he be say una go there, person go there outside talk one thing when he say my brother. Now when you enter, you go know how far. Somebody don't talk say witches and wizards they do this our light.
Which is okay. But it doesn't until you enter, they're going to say you get you get some winch there where you need that piece. Where the one things go the way where you want them.
Them plenty.
For inside the same thing here. I know that one of my guys where they government for River State, you know them say, at least when you never enter, all of us the rapport, you don't say go do this, go do this. Now you don't enter. Why you don't feel do? He say, Tombo, my brother.
My brother.
I tell you, hand with it there.
When you enter, now they talk say, by the time when you see all these things, you go come they think and whether Nigeria go feel good.
That's another question.
Now where you go come think say whether Nigeria go feel good. Plenty of us they depend on by God's grace Nigeria go good. Wetin government they promise us. They baffle me say if then do anything go happen to them. No, if then do wetin them promise, anything go happen to them.
Baba, you know what one man tell me? As the commissioner, as I say, which one way I need to do quality road? You know what he tell me? He say if we do quality road, which one will go do next year? That make we no fit do quality road. Someone could do this one and may spoil very soon. They'll come award the contract again. We'll come go do them again. So that we're the chop on until the government ends. So they are actually promising us and they are keeping to they keep the promise. They are keeping to the promise.
Because the thing they baffle me though.
You go baffle.
They baffle me. Because if you check all the things then with them promise that year. During campaign
2015 I built
2015 Nabi.
Okay, I say I won't go back.
No. Leave back.
Okay.
That one now one administration where then talk say no do well.
Yes. Then blame.
Then blame them say they no do well. But all the things then where them promise us. You get some of the list them of some of the things them.
Yes, I've been the look am individually. Wait, make my file am out again.
File them out. Make we know the people fine.
You don't show.
Okay.
Campaign promises.
Which people publish this one?
People will publish this one and the cable.
The cable newspaper.
Yeah, now they publish them. And you don't did there, not be smart. Campaign promises off. And APC government.
Yeah.
Yes. Should I read, sir?
No. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
1. Public declaration of assets.
Yes.
And liabilities.
All the in here we don't get.
Yes. 2. State and community policing. Are you with me, sir?
Then promise state police.
Nale, ideya na.
Are you serious?
Ban on all government officials from seeking medical care abroad.
Nah lie.
You know yara.
Nah lie. Now the cable write this thing.
Yes now. Okay, ban on all government officials from seeking medical care abroad. If anybody they hear me now doubt this thing here, make them respond. Make people respond now.
Okay, continue.
I don't read, yeah. 4. The implementation of the national gender policy, including 35% of appointive positions for women. You go say this one.
Okay, that's why the women they protest all these protests heavily.
Yeah. 5. Revival of Ajaokuta Steel Company.
Akoko. Ajaokuta Steel there. Akoko. Continue. At least I know that one.
Oh, you know that one now. 6. Generation, transmission, and distribution. This one go wound you, Gabi. Of at least 20,000 megawatts of electricity within 4 years.
That's the first year with the enter.
Oh, yes. And increasing to 50,000 MW with a view to achieving 24 hours. That is 247.
We go to get light.
Interrupted. Now, wow. Let me say this is your place where they live now. You can enjoy yourself. uninterrupted power supply within 10 years.
Okay, now within 10 years. No, only 8 years they don't do now. They can still achieve that one in 2 more years. They still fit achieve them. 2 more years still dey.
2 more years, I think.
Yes.
So
make we never give up.
So 10 minus 2 cannot be 8.
8. They never achieve them and then they work towards them. So
they are still working. They are building it.
8 years for preparation.
Yeah. What?
So that once they start, boom.
Boom. They want 2 years come finish.
Bam.
I don't know. So they take use time. They build things like that too.
Continue.
8 years. That's good though. So empowerment scheme to employ 7,000. 740,000 graduates across the 36 states at the Federal Capital Territory.
That one I don't know how many people don't get work now for Abuja. But
Okay,
continue.
Okay.
But continue.
Establishment of a free tuition and scholarship scheme for pupils who have shown exceptional aptitude in science subject at O levels to study ICT-related courses.
You say na scholarship. Now the scholarship then they do for house now. Yes, now.
Oh, nice
it's
one.
free.
Oh, it's free.
I be people where they house is free.
It's free now.
So and then also don't make them 2 more months.
Yes.
So make
them just stay there.
Make them just continue.
Okay. Now good empowerment.
Continue.
You say 720,000 jobs by the 36 states in the federation per annum. They're going to collect like 20,000 naira per state. It's plenty. 10, 3 million jobs per year. Wow.
That means to say by now, how many years they don't do? 7 years.
Yeah.
Doesn't complete 8 now.
So that means to say 3 million.
Per
Yeah.
That's
they don't suppose like more than nearly 20 million people.
So everybody's also don't come out for poverty now.
Don't come out.
Okay,
they never come out.
Oh, they don't come out. Yes. The last time I checked, sir, I have my checklist. 11 in another policy document by. We will embark on vocational training, entrepreneur and skills acquisition schemes for graduates, along with the creation of a small business loan guarantee scheme to create at least 5 million new jobs by 2019.
Then they give money now. Empower. Before election, Mushibajo they share money just before any election for any state.
Yes.
If they get election for one state now, you go there now and go share empower money.
Go share,
No.
And even
then they do them.
market money too.
Market money. Then they do that one too, just before election.
Yes,
then they do
yes,
them.
yes.
So let's before next election. Which states get election again? Then go do them. They've been doing that one.
So it's before.
My brother, are they doing it? Is the question. Why are you choking eye in? Is it before? Are they doing it?
I ask you whether before
election.
Okay.
Before any election in any state,
they give.
Then they give.
Okay.
Empower money.
Okay.
For the election. Yeah. Then they give empower money.
Oh, for the election now.
It's not for the election. They don't do bribery for election. Now empower.
Okay, you say for is it before the election for the election?
No, now part of this policy. Number waiting be that one now. Onto the
like
cable.
Like 11 here.
Number 11 for cable. Now cable the cable line publication.
11 here.
So then say then go they empower them. Then go empower people. Then go give them money to take start training and money for business.
For the election now.
It's not for election. You just be saying that it they happen during time before election.
Oh, so that's the timeline.
Now just before election for any state.
For any state.
Just that time.
So that time at the normal time where they work.
I don't know, but are they sharing? Yes, they are sharing. Can you please go on?
Okay, the first.
Can you please go on?
You are forcing me, sir.
Go on.
Okay, sorry. Churches and mosques would not pay taxes under national laws, but they engage in businesses.
Now that one they take all religious people for work. So anything with church here, church will say yes, let's support them. Yes.
13 provision of allowances to the discharged but unemployed youth corps members for 12 months while in the skills and entrepreneur developmental program.
That is when you don't finish NYSC.
Yes.
And then they're going to give you something.
They give them, yes, provision of allowance.
Are you serious?
Small
I don't know how many of the corps members really don't discharged.
Yeah.
But they never collect employment and they give. How many of them beg? I won't know because I've not been discharged, sir. I've not been discharged.
Ah, you still did here. Oh, sorry.
Okay, you don't finish. When you finish?
Never finished. No? You still there.
Oh,
They
7 months.
they come.
So if they come, your money is
Your
coming.
money is coming.
Don't
They
worry.
are piling
Continue.
it up before the election.
They go pile them up so that once he big, then go give you bulk.
At
You
the-
go
at-
take and start business.
Yeah. So
Something huge.
making our economy one of the fastest growing emerging economies in the world, that with a real GDP growth averaging 10% annually. Wow. In another instance, the APC promised 0 to 12% annual GDP growth. Wow.
Good.
We are
Continue.
growing. We are growing.
Yeah, we are growing.
So, number 15, creation of a social welfare program of at least 5,000 naira that will cater for the 25 million poorest and most vulnerable citizens upon the demonstration of children's enrollment in school and evidence of immunization to help promote family stability.
Then they do that one
They do
because
that.
then they give this for 5,000. And not only that, even when schools they on break, they were giving them food.
They're giving them food.
They were sharing food. You hear when that woman talk and now say, even during when COVID, when school was in
yes,
session,
yes.
they were giving
They
them
cook food.
cook food,
Yes.
give children.
How the food been there?
School no day in session then.
I mean,
so
the
I
food,
won't take no. I be government staff. You go, they ask me some kind question wey no make sense. I be government staff.
I try ask you, I say the food. You understand me now?
The food before na 70 naira per plate.
Yes.
Now they don't increase unto 100.
Okay.
So maybe na Maggi meat than they put before. Now it don't become no like the size of no.
Okay.
Be the meat.
So 100 naira per plate now.
Small egg.
My egg na ego. Go and sit down. That is full chicken. That egg is full chicken. Go and sit down. You know how much it be to lay egg?
So if they
You
give
use it to lay egg.
so if they give you 100 naira per plate of food now, say
Not
poorest of
me.
poor now where
Not
you be.
me. Them. Why you go to use me as
I
example?
just always just example.
Why?
I don't get issue with you, sir. I just as example.
Why? You be like say I go the off mic whenever because I don't understand you.
I'm sorry, sir. I just want to use that as an example. Since not
Don't
me and
use
you,
me. Don't use me.
poorest of poor. That's why I just,
Yes.
That's why I just involve you.
100 naira is okay for them.
It's okay.
That's what they said, is it me?
No, it's not you.
Hey,
It's
same.
okay. It's within the election now. So recruitment and training of at least 100,000 officers into the Nigerian police force and establish a federal anti-terrorism agency. Wow. You know, some people not agree join.
People not agree join from this side. People from the north join police though. Then talk that one.
I don't know why people from here are not agree join.
No, brother. Maybe if they up the money and then put some swag for the profession,
Okay.
you know, which I think saying waiting they're supposed to do. Make them put school qualification, not be secondary school. Make them put anyway. Continue.
Yes,
Just
sir.
read 2 more.
Like 2 more and 1 free meal to include fruits daily for public private school pupils.
I just hope say this country go deliberated one day. I just hope and pray say this country we go get them right. Somebody they talk say our democracy young. E young. Pikin with them born 1999. Pikin with them born 1999 don't marry now. Yeah. Pikin
Yes,
with them
now.
born 1999. Some of them don't marry.
They don't they collabo.
Yes, some of them don't marry, some of them don't born. Yeah, some of them. So no be pikin again. When would they say we be pikin, we be pikin for this process. All right, now some of the promise we them promise us, the change we them promise us be that, but when they enter, they change the promise. Now with the chick I put.
Try.
This morning. I just wish say them go sit down. They tick the things by themselves. They tick them by themselves to fit talk. Say, okay, this one, pam,
We actually do.
we do this one. This one, pam,
We not do.
so that then go fit rate their own this thing to fit talk whether they do well or not.
But you know, say if they come up now and say, okay, we may not take the one we will do. If anybody take that, you know now, they will always say, no, well, what are you saying? We did it.
I know, but then go give
The-
proof now. You know hard. No?
It not be the first time now. When they don't,
No. Like
maybe
them,
we don't bring scorecard and they not actually score for the card.
okay, just like that one where then talk say then go give 24 hours light.
Nah.
Even for their own house, I see somewhere where somebody writes, say even a so rock na generator then they use.
Nah.
Yeah, so what are we saying?
That's where the NEPA.
You know what thing they shock me for this whole matter?
But
Then they borrow new money now again. Where then say they won't use to take do Shena subsidy or something.
Yes, subsidy.
New money again. We
New
then say
money.
then they borrow again.
About how many trillion?
Yeah, we then say they won't borrow again. And then they pay me say, so if you borrow this money, why not borrow this money to take fix education? Why not borrow this money to take fix medical hospitals? So that we go stop medical tourism. Why not borrow this money to fix? Because to fix hospital na machine equipment too.
No.
Not be the building.
No.
Na equipment be hospital. So even if na space, not be gigantic building then they need.
Building where
Now which equipment they inside? Now in the show say whether or whether not. You know? So why not borrow this money to take equipment? What will they talk? If Aso Rock no get paracetamol, who all this other hospital be?
You know, say lack of this equipment, they don't make many people don't move.
Yes.
Because we don't have this one. Person don't give up.
Yes.
Don't give up. Where they go use a small apartment generator to power the hospital so that if you take do surgery, then the conference say fuel no day.
Fuel no day.
Oxygen.
This will not do.
Person don't. The matter plenty.
You can even the thank God say no be fake contaminated that be waiting petrol then go even Congo see buy. This country is just so funny. And you know say the NNPC get the so rights to import fuel, So who can import this last fuel wey spoil people motor?
Up to now.
And they never arrest, they never talk anything.
Never,
and only NNPC they import.
They come, sir.
And nobody don't hold anybody for say whether they block us. So now you the
Whether then again.
where did they block us? Nobody did not block to say that you actually.
They go talk on.
Read what they read.
Married. This one, establishment of crime squad to combat terrorism, kidnapping, armed robbery, militant, ethno-religious, and communal clashes nationwide. And I want the things where they promise for 2015. I will just take the last one, Aga, so that we can forward march. We get one with the very important part. Yes. That airport I define ourselves. Where that?
They talk so they go establish airports.
So they go build now.
Airport
they go range
for
airport for every state. Go
Every
collect.
state
Yes.
go collect
Every
airports.
state go collect. And from the look of things, every state do actually collect.
Which one? The witches own? Abi witches and wizards don't increase for those states. Abi because then too they fly.
And the prototype now ended the whole state now.
Yeah, because we can. But really, they don't try. Then say that, Enugu airports. Then okay, they no build new one. Then renovate Enugu airport.
Therefore, Kukuma change here now. So now renovate now.
Then renovate Enugu airport. Then renovate Kano. Kano. Then renovate the airport there. Then renovate Port Harcourt own. Yes, then you know Port Harcourt person. So then renovate Port Harcourt own. Then renovate Abuja, of course. Abuja airport fine well. At least now renovate, then renovate. Then talk say then go do 2 more. We still they wait. Abi 2, abi 3 more. We they wait.
Then other states now the picture then go just replace everything.
But Anambra na the governor. Na the governor na him build that one.
From this thing.
Hi.
Marry that Moko press piece.
My brother, you don't do. Okay. Because this thing now go dey depress.
Finally, go like this one.
Which one?
So reducing maternal mortality by more than 70%. It's we dey see how they work.
But my dear, people they die of depression.
Yes, now. People they die every day.
People they die of depression. The thinking done too much. Now, see, Nigerians never run come out from this country like then they run in the last few years. All of them they talk saying at school then they go. No be because of school. No be because of school. The rate where people take the run from this country, they never run like that in God knows how many years.
Yes, not true talk.
In particular, in the last 5-6 years, people don't run plenty.
Many Nigerians.
And then anyway, one of the ministers say make them come out. They then go bring the knowledge, come back. Say good, make them come out. Then go bring the knowledge.
Even old people of 70, 80
then
years.
they run.
80 years.
Their children, they fight.
Say no one making future end for this country.
Yes.
80 years in Japan.